अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमेशा हमारे साथ यही होता है कहीं ना कहीं पे कि आज के दिन वो इवेंट है जो इवेंट ओपन एयर में होने वाला है एंड बाहर तो मौसम आप देख ही सकते हो, इट्स ऑलरेडी रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स। ओके दिस इज एक्साइटिंग। यू नो व्हेन पुणे में जब भी हम लोग कोई अंडरग्राउंड पार्किंग में जाते हैं फॉर एन इवेंट, यू नो व्हाट इट मीन्स, सो आई डोंट नीड टू टेल यू। तो इसके बाद कुछ एनी सीक्रेट्स दैट यू वांट टू डिस्क्लोज कि इसके बाद क्या प्लान कर रहे हो?
सीक्रेट ये है कि
know this guy. I know this guy. This guy is the mastermind. He's the planner for Generation Speed. He's the guy who's got that Generation Speed event from scratch to what we saw in February of 2025. So what do we have in store for next year? Here's one of the cars which I recently shot and I love this car just because of how quirky it is, how beautiful it is. Hang on. It's going to be a lot of action and a lot of fun.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. The heat, it feel like summer. She feel like summer. This feel like summer. I feel like summer. 7 billion souls that move around the sun, rolling faster, faster, not a chance to slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Man, it is raining. Why does it always have to rain on the wrong bloody day? Hello and welcome to Generation Speed. This is Bichao and today we are heading to one of the most exciting and one of the most anticipated events in Pune. The event was announced maybe about 2-3 weeks ago and today is the time where we actually get to see it. Unfortunately हमेशा हमारे साथ यही होता है कहीं ना कहीं पे कि आज के दिन वो इवेंट है जो इवेंट ओपन एयर में होने वाला है एंड बाहर तो मौसम आप देख ही सकते हो, इट्स ऑलरेडी रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स। सो एज पर द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, होपफुली फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए। इवन इफ द रेन कम्स इट विल नॉट डिसरप्ट थिंग्स, बट लेट्स सी, वी आर होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट। आई एम गोइंग टू हेड आउट टू द इवेंट नाउ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कैच यू बैक अगेन फ्रॉम ओवर देयर। All right, we are almost there. In fact, I saw a hoarding behind for the event as well. I don't know exactly where we have to go. That's what we're trying to find. This is Amanora Mall, by the way, in Pune, and the event is supposed to be here, just that I don't know where. Okay, this is exciting. You know when Pune में जब भी हम लोग कोई अंडरग्राउंड पार्किंग में जाते हैं फॉर एन इवेंट, you know what it means, so I don't need to tell you much that ये event कौन ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है and who's the team behind this event. Of course, underground event in Pune can only mean one thing, which is underground. So this, to give you a little bit more idea, is Tapaswi Racing, Jeep Tapaswi's event. But this time it's a little bit different because whatever I have seen and read, it's going to be a lot of action and a lot of fun. I mean, it's not like कि बाकी के events उसके fun नहीं होते हैं. All his events are fun. But this one is a little more special. So is what I've heard. बट वो तो वहीं जाने के बाद समझ में आएगा कि एग्जैक्टली क्या सीन है। आई हैव नो डाउट्स दो इट्स गोना बी फन। दिस इज द सेम रोड जहाँ पे आई सॉ सनम से खो, नॉट द सेम रोड, दिस द सेम पार्किंग जहाँ पे आई सॉ सनम से खो गो क्रेजी साइडवेज ऑल द वे टिल द टॉप। Doesn't this remind you of Tokyo Drift, the scene where they have the underground parking meet and then bro gets full crazy and drifts all the way through the parking? Man, nice.
Hi guys.
Brother, how are you?
Thank you. How are you?
Good. Man,
third floor.
things
Third floor.
are looking good. Good. Interesting. There is a lot of noise. I got to see what's down here. I see Redestin Tires branding and oh man, that's where things are getting hot. Nice. I'm sure these guys have just gotten started. So our man Shaunak is just parking his car over there, and gonna take some stuff, head down over there. I'm gonna catch you from the middle of all the action. Nice, nice. Ooh. Look at this clean 118NE. There's something about the shape of this car that I think it is still very, very iconic, with nice painted, kind of looking like white wall tires. Lovely clean interior. Whoa, that's a very, very clean interior. Beautiful. Nice. Do you know this guy? Do you know this guy? I know this guy. This guy is the mastermind. He's the planner. He's the main man. I tell you, the main man for what? Have you heard of Generation Speed? Of course you have. He's the guy who's got that Generation Speed event from scratch to what we saw in February of 2025. The man who's planned everything together, put everything together, and gave the directives to everyone in the team.
Nothing like that. It's a team effort. Bhuvan's been there from the start. Bhuvan's like carrying the whole plan on the shoulder.
I also got in touch with Generation Speed because of him only. So all efforts and everything goes to him.
Yeah, crazy efforts. First year's done. Moving on to the next second year.
So what do we have in store for next year?
I want to like take the surprises, but Bhuvan will do in some time.
I think we have a little bit of a plan. A little too early to disclose, no?
Yeah, disclose. Yeah.
We should have a different video for that.
Yeah, but this is like today's great. Nice climate to be in Pune.
Definitely.
Yeah, too much traffic, but great, lovely climate to be in Pune. We're looking forward to Summer Tuna Fest with Tapasvi and boys.
I don't know what happens to Pune. Oh, it's like, have you ever seen those ants always in a line when they're moving and you rub and they suddenly don't know where to go?
Yeah.
So it's like that in Pune. Whenever it rains, people just sort of scramble. They don't know where to go. The road is still straight, but they are all over the place.
Very true.
It is what it is. But nice to see you finally after a long time. And yeah, we're here to enjoy the event.
For sure.
Alright, and this is actually where all the action is. Man, I'm actually so happy that it actually was raining when I left home. It's nice and sunny right now. I'm so happy, because of which we have this entire arena open and we're gonna see some crazy stuff over here. Check this out. Alright, let's go G-Wagon. Let's do the G-turn. Oops. Something is goofy about it. Why we have no G-turn? There it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, at the end, let's just start one.
Man, I love this vibe. It's very rare. I mean, thanks to Jeet Tapasvi Racing, thanks to him, Pune has become such a lively place where we're having some kind of an event every 4 to 5 months. And I'm so happy about it, you know. I mean, we've grown up around Pune, we've grown up in Pune for stuff like this to happen. We've been waiting, we've been dying all these years for stuff like this to happen, and finally we have it, and finally we have multiple events coming up throughout the year. Really cool. While the main action is going on over there, I just saw some really interesting cars, some really nice hotties parked over here. So I thought, why not? Let's just go and check them out. I'm gonna show you, hang on. This one over here is my ex-boss, my guru, his car, Mr. Sirish Chandran from Evo India magazine. This is his 911, 997 I guess, don't quote me. I'm bad with remembering names. I know it's 997, 991, 991.2, 992, but I sometimes do get confused. This is the 997. So anyways, 997, 911 Carrera S. Then over here we've got the new one. This is the 992. Oh man, what a beauty. Not so different, these two. I mean, they are still some 2.5 generations apart. Not so different, but still very different. Then over here we've got the infamous, the car that introduced India to drifting, the car that made drifting mainstream, the car that everyone knows in this country and what it does. It's Sanam Sekhon's GS 300. Then over here we've got another legend. We have actually two legends right next to each other. Both these cars are Imran Majid's cars from Bombay, and man, I don't think this one needs any introductions, does it? This is of course the fastest car which was in India till 2024, till Sean came up with the Audi R8, the madly turbocharged some 1800 horsepower Audi R8, but till then this was the car which was the champion. And if you ask me, this car is still insane for what it can do, for what's capable of. And just between you and me, I don't think Imran is done yet, because this car has more potential, and it's a matter of time before Imran guns for that potential. So really looking forward to this car eventually to become even more faster, as if it's not fast enough already, but it's gonna get even more faster. Then over here we've got a M2. This is also Imran's car. Relatively a much more tamer car. What I believe is it still has the stock turbo, it's still got the stock engine. Still a mad car nonetheless. Oh, and here's one of the cars which I recently shot, and I love this car just because of how quirky it is, how beautiful it is. Hang on. And that car is this one. Remember this from one of the vlogs which I recently did. This is the Toyota Serra from 1994, I believe. Such a gorgeous car, man. I love the rims on the car, and I love the glass canopy more than anything else. Just looks so cool. Man, I tell you, these cars from the 90s, just something else. The vibe, the way they used to be designed, I mean, still they are relevant after so many years. And I don't think they are never going to be forgotten, for sure. What's going on over here? This is, of course, main place. Oh, yeah. I forgot to tell you that we've got our main man, Sanam, going out on the track and ready to do something crazy. Let's see if I can find a better spot.
Ladies and gentlemen, the man who doesn't look like a king but is truly a legend and beyond king. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a mighty legendary car of India, who's not only made us famous internationally, but the man is all potential to put India right on the map of motorsports of the world. Forget about India. Saram, Summer Tuner Fest for the first time. For the first time, we opened tickets for normal public. What do you think? Was it a good idea?
Yeah, very good idea. I think there's a lot of people here from last time.
सेलिब्रिटी सर, सेलिब्रिटी साहब मेरे को भी एक डील चाहिए. मैं 10 लाख रुपए का डील दिला दो ना प्लीज. सर 10 करोड़ ओके ठीक. नहीं मेरे को इतना नहीं जमेगा सर. वो क्या करने का? मेरे को सिर्फ 10 लाख सर मेरा सिर्फ 10 लाख रुपए का क्रेडिट कार्ड डेट है. मेरे को 10 लाख दिला दो बस, उतना ही बस.
10 लाख में नहीं होता.
अरे सर क्या कर
10 करोड़ में.
नहीं सर इतना पैसे का मेरे को क्या करने का? वो 10 करोड़ में से 10 लाख मैं ले लेता, बाकी आप रख लो सर.
वो तो मेरा ही पैसा है सर.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? सर गलत है यार ये सर.
ले लो चलो.
So boys and girls, you know who I found here, the king of Indian drift. This guy he's a humble man. ठीक है, ये कभी accept नहीं करेगा कभी accept नहीं करेगा कि this guy is the fucking champ. He is the OG. He is the one who's inspired I think so many people.
Think so?
Dude, for sure. I think since I have gotten introduced to you, I have seen so many people just wanting more and more drift cars. सब लोग मेरे को DM पे वही पूछते हैं, मैं rear wheel drive कौन सी गाड़ी लूँ, मैं कहाँ से गाड़ी खरीदूँ. Drifting has become
I hope it grows in the right way.
It should.
Yeah, I hope it does. Yeah, I really want it to though.
Because I think it's the next best thing, right?
I think so. Yeah. I mean, this rallies, this autocross and everything, but this is like growing. The jump is like really fast.
And it's fun, no? It's like it's a little वो feeling आता है कि you know official भी है और unofficial भी, naughty भी है.
It's
like
a little
that.
chaotic, but it's like under control chaos.
Naughty but official. That's the best part, you know. So how do you find Pune?
Pune's fun. I mean, this spot is like spot on. Like it is like perfect.
Absolutely.
Like rooftop, good sun, good weather.
Dude, we've always wanted events like this to happen in Pune. Finally, stuff like this is happening in Pune. Thanks to you guys. Thanks to Tapasvi Racing. Jeet is the OG, man. He's been doing some crazy stuff over the last couple of years.
Yeah. Correct. He's been on and about it, and he's got bigger plans now. Like he's been कभी फोन करे यार ऐसे करना मैंने okay I don't want to listen to your plan I'm just getting there I'm already sold
नाइस नाइस नाइस. तो इसके बाद कुछ एनी सीक्रेट्स दैट यू वांट टू डिस्क्लोज कि इसके बाद क्या प्लान कर रहे हो?
सीक्रेट ये है कि गाड़ी बहुत महंगी है If you start drifting please get a cheaper car
Especially when you have a this thing, what do you call GS?
yeah the maintenance is too much
It can be, right?
yeah it's too much yeah.
Awesome. So do we see you back again out?
I want to but I want them to have a good time and then if they have some time I'll go in for sure.
Obviously, the main act is always in the end. Our man is the main man. All right. Thank you so much, man.
Lovely talking to you.
Awesome. Look what we have here. The pride of Pune's largest and the oldest collection.